Hey all, welcome back to the new video. So I think last video we have completed regarding the keywords, isn't it? So yeah, we have completed what are keywords. Okay. Okay. Then in today's video we'll start with tokens. Okay. So what is tokens actually? See, token means a whole program. Okay, a whole program will be divided into very small parts. Each part is called as token. Okay, like C has six type of tokens like keywords, identifiers, constants, operators, okay, symbols. So a program is consist of this keywords, identifier, constant, operator, symbol. Okay, so a whole program is basically divided into small part, and each part is considered as a token. Okay, yes. Next thing is, what is identifiers? Okay, so identifier is also a type of token, isn't it? So identifier, why we need this identifier? To identify something, isn't it? Like we are giving some name to whenever a baby born in our family, we give a name to that baby, isn't it? Because for identification purpose name is required. So we can call it like any name in C language is called as identifier. Any name, any variable name, function name, any name is called as identifier in C. Okay, like see example: variable name, function name, pointer name, array name, any name is considered as a identifier. In the name also, the name of identifier, like it's almost saying that yeah, for identification purpose only we are keeping some name of something, isn't it? So identifier is just a name, okay, in C language. Like it could be variable name, it could be function name, it could be pointer name, any name. Okay, so I think at least you got the idea that what is identifier. For whatever the things is required for identification, okay, so that is called as identifier. Okay, specifically name. Rules for writing identifier. See, there are some rules they have made, like previously who have developed this C language, they have made some rule for writing some identifier. Okay, so what are the rule? The first rule is we can use the alphabets like small a to capital small a to small z or z, we can call, and capital A to capital Z. Okay, and 0 to 9, and only one special symbol is included, that is underscore. This is a underscore. Okay, so no other any special symbol is involved in this naming of this identifier. Okay, so whenever we are writing the name of a identifier, only we can use such kind of symbols like small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. Okay, and 0 to 9 and underscore. No other symbols are allowed, or no other things are allowed. Then second rule. Okay, an identifier cannot start with a digit, but it can be alphanumeric. See, the identifier, we can't start the name of the identifier like this. Okay, see here, we are starting this Sonali name with a number 1. Okay, it's wrong, it's not allowed. Okay, it's beyond the rule. But we can write like Sona 34 because it's a alphanumeric. It is also alphanumeric. Okay, both are alphanumeric name, but see here, the starting letter of the name is number, that is not allowed. But it can be alphanumeric, but the first letter of the name cannot be considered as a number. Okay, got it? Second rule. Third rule, an identifier can start with the alphabet or underscore only. Okay, the the first letter of the identifier name would be only alphabet or underscore. Underscore is only allowed, no, as a special symbol, so we can start. Then keywords cannot be used as identifier. Keywords means what? These are like reserved word, isn't it? So no keywords are allowed as a identifier name, okay, because these are like reserved words whose meaning is already known to the compiler, isn't it? So no keyword are allowed as a name of identifier, otherwise it would give an error. Identifiers are case sensitive. That means case sensitive means what? Like here small and capital letter we call in technical term like lowercase. This small letter is called lowercase and this one is uppercase, okay. So here uppercase and lowercase are considered as differently. We can't consider like Sonali and this Sonali, these are not equal, whether the pronunciation is same, but as it is this one is written in lowercase and this Sonali name is written in what? Uppercase. So that's why it's not equal, okay. Did you got any idea regarding lowercase and uppercase? Lowercase means we are simply telling in English alphabet like small letter, capital letter. So in technical term we consider as like we call it as lowercase and uppercase. Got it? Then predefined function name cannot be used as identifier. So predefined function name like printf, scanf, these are all what? Like predefined functions, isn't it? These are already defined in some library, so this can't be taken as identifier name. Did you get any idea? 6 rules are there, like first one is we can use the letters like small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9 and underscore, okay. And identifier can start with a digit, but it can be alphanumeric, okay. An identifier can start with alphabet or underscore only. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Identifiers are case sensitive, okay. That means lowercase and uppercase or small letter and capital letter are treated differently, not as same, okay. Whether the pronunciation may be same but the meaning are not same, okay. Then predefined function name cannot be used as identifier. See here I have mentioned what are valid and what are invalid numbers, okay. Okay, fine. See num1 2 3, this is what? This is valid because it is alphanumeric, but it is not started, the name is not started with any number and all like beyond of rule. And the second one, see, it's a alphanumeric, but what? The first letter is a number, it's invalid. Third one is valid, fourth one is invalid because break is a keyword, isn't it? Then in switch case we use a break actually, okay. And this is also valid, this is invalid because this is this special symbol is not allowed except underscore, okay. This is dollar, this is called dollar. Then CLR SCR, this is a predefined function, so it's invalid, okay. I think you got some idea regarding identifiers, okay. So that's all for today's video and thank you, bye.